What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. And today, guys, I have a box. This is the Turbo ST, also known as the 29978 by Haiboxing. We're gonna open this thing, take it outside, and get a speed run. From there, we're gonna hit the track. Then I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on it. But first, let me let you see the box. So initial thoughts. First thing I really like is the fact that it has its own receiver. So I can pull that out and use my own radio. Testing purposes, I am going to use the stock radio. Another thing that was really noticeable that this has a 10 scale motor. This motor is a 3800 kV motor. So I noticed we have two batteries. We have several parts. I did see some links in there as well as some CVDs. I'm thinking that's what that was. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Full size servo. ESC is a 45 amp ESC. Look like it has a cap pack, beans plugs, low voltage alert as well. It has 3 differentials, so it should have a center diff here also. So the batteries are 1800 milliamps. You get 2 USB chargers, 1 instruction manual, 4 RC battery body clips, body decals, small cross wrench, 2 wheel hexes, and 2 extra lock nuts and pins. You also get the radio, the truck itself. On 2S, you should get about 30 miles per hour. And on 3S, you should get about 45 miles per hour. The radio system should get you about 330 feet of range. And just looking at this thing, guys, it's really close to a 10 scale. ESC also has overheating protection and motor anti-lock safeguards. Body shell does have lighting that's included, so be careful when you take this thing out of the box. Make sure you disconnect it. It has the cool little protection rails up here as well, in case you flip it. You got to add the stickers, the wing. You also need to add batteries for the radio. Now this is the part of the video where I need you guys to do me a favor. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and please do so. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys will know when we drop a new video. Okay guys, we changed cameras and we changed locations. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 2S run. This thing already has the battery that comes with it installed. And we got the GNCRC analyzer. We're gonna do a speed run on 2S on the pavement. And then we're gonna come back and do one with 3S. And I'm just not taking time to show you guys underneath here, but it is 100 degrees out here. This is the first run. We're gonna see if it needs to be trimmed. Hope you guys can see it. Super smooth. Tires maybe could be a little bit better. Tend to spin out quite a bit on pavement, but of course these tires are not made for pavement. All right, so we're gonna get it set up, guys. We're gonna start it. All right, it's doing its thing. So let's get a 2S run. We can get it full peg. All right, that was full peg. All right, let's see what we got. 29 miles per hour. You know what, guys? I grabbed the 2S. So we're not gonna do a 3S run, maybe later. I'm not gonna run it on the dirt, guys. I'm just gonna do the carpet for right now. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me run it in the dirt. As you can see, the tie rod popped out. This should be an easy fix. Big shout out to Haiboxing for sending me this rig. I really appreciate it, guys. So what are my thoughts on this rig? It's only one thing that I did not like about it. I really didn't like the size of the battery compartment. That's really the only thing. So the durability, I got to say, this thing really stood up better than what I expected. This is my first time using them. And I wasn't planning on going on that track, but it really did well. The only problem I had was this snatched out, but it was another one in the box, plus I was able to fix that one. So it wasn't a big deal. I actually fixed it while I was at the shop. As you guys notice, I've been running this thing again. I went ahead and put it on my radio. So normally when I put something on my radio, that means I'm gonna keep it for a while. I looked over this thing. I didn't have any cracks. I didn't have any dents. It has plenty of power on 2S. So the two batteries that it came with on the track, it's perfectly fine. I also stated that it didn't do that well on pavement. I will say on that carpet and that dirt, it really rips. So the tires are perfectly fine for that. I'm sure the grass will be the same. I will say the center diff did really well. As you notice on part of the video, it goes to lift the front end up, but it settles back down right away. I'm going to put a link below in the description. The way if you guys are interested in this, go ahead and hit that button and grab you one. So again, like I said, I really didn't break anything. Just pulled that one part out. Easy fix. I fixed it while I was there. Kept going. But again, that part is in the box. You had several different parts that are in the box. But all in all, durable. That's the main thing. Fast. The reason why I stopped the video, like I told you guys, it was 100 degrees outside, and I think the heat index was like 109, 110. So that's why I stopped. But I did go back like the next day. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we got a whole lot more videos coming. Big shout out to Haiboxing once again. Thanks for sending me this. Once again, the link will be below in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comments. Check out this little crash reel, guys. This will show you how durable this thing really is. And last but not least, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.